Hello everybody. So in this video we're going to look at how you're going to set up your workspace and look at the functions of the lines and the drawing bar and the modifying bar and the annotation bar and how it works. So now we want to modify our drawing space. Then we go to our command prompt here. Then you click on units here. So now you can see it's on inches. So we want to change it to millimeters. So I change mine to millimeters. I don't like seeing too much zeros in my dimensions, so I reduce it to 1 to 10, the whole number. So click OK. Now in our annotation, go to annotation. Then I want when I'm making my dimension should look bigger. Then I go to modify. Then this for the text. Then I take it as 5, height as 5, so it should look bigger. So make some drawings. So let's go back to our home again. Now let's draw a line. Take a line from this point to this point. Then we right click and enter. So that's how line works. Pick, click lines again. From this point, click right, you left click. Then you take the direction you wish to take. Take the direction you wish to take to this point. So you may be asking, what is that green stuff showing every time I move around? So it is restraint cursor. It helps me of the angle I'm taking. It helps me on angle. You can see I'm working on angle 45, angle 90, angle 130, 35. So I can change it back. I can change to angle 90, angle 180, angle 270. So right now, let me change. Let me use angle 30, 60, and 90. So then, so let's the polygon is just we just like it's kind of little functionality like a line, but he just make it continuous. Polyline, just make it continuous. It has its own effect. So now we have our circle. So this circle is taken from the middle to the radius. Again, I click middle to radius. So in any format, some drawings that I may give you to people, some assignment, sometimes you may not need to use the center to radius. You may need to use center diameter. You may need to use 2 points. This 2 point means like I want to make I want to make this line to be in a circle. This line to be in a circle. The two edges of the line to be in a circle. So I pick this point here and this point. So you can see the line just forms as the diameter of the circle. So you may be asking, what is that green dot that I always show to aid me when I'm drawing? Is this over here? The snap cursor to the references. So these are all the format. If you know some way you are making a circle, the center it means this endpoint. You can see that's my I pick two endpoints concerning this. The last time I picked two endpoints concerning these 2 points. So you can see two endpoint means here to here. Then you have midpoint. Midpoint like the center line, the middle of it. So you have center. This middle of the circle. You have geometry. Geometry is like when you're using when you draw a square or you draw a rectangle. The middle of that square or rectangle is this point. You have a notch. A notch is like if you have a point, just a particular point. It's not like a dot. This can help you out to bring it out. So this a quadrant. You can know a quadrant is like the middle, the vertical point, and the horizontal point of the edges of like a 90-degree point. So you have the intersection. So let's make an intersection now. So we have a vertical line. We have another line again. So these two lines where the two lines crosses paths, this point there is an intersection. So let's make let's make a like a little arc from the intersection. So let's make pick from starting, center, and end. So you can see what I'm saying. So let me I pick this point. So now I don't want to pick at the middle of this whole line. So I come to this point and I pick nearest. So you can see the function of nearest is that any point in any place of the lines will be aiding me so I can click accurately. So I click to this point and you can see this this is a this is an intersection. Let me turn the others off so I can actually get intersection. Let me turn the rest. This intersection is on. So you can see it. So now you can see now the icon of intersection have come out to show you that I want to click on intersection when two lines meet. So you can see it. That is that for that. That is how to use those tools. And these are a central and ellipse. You can use to form an ellipse. So these for you have, when you click them, you have rectangle, you have a polygon. You can use this. You can define the sizes. Just like if I click, then let me choose 8 sizes. Then when I choose 8 sizes, you can look from the command prompt. I click 8. Then you click enter. I click on which point I want it to perform. See inside this center. I click enter again. So you can see I click the center. I click enter. You can see the 8 sizes. I choose this point. So you can see it formed it inside the circle. A size. So we have this shaded part. This is used to shade. If you want to shade, this is used to shade this form. So now I want to shade this inner of the circle. Shade it. I choose the shade I want. I want it to be in this form. You can see it shaded inside. Then I want to shade this one. You can see it's taken up. When I bring it close, I shade. I choose the shade I wish. So after you've done, right click. So now let's move to the modifying tools. Modifying tools. Yes.